In today's fast-paced world, technology has transformed the way we learn and work. When it comes to choosing the right tool for your classroom or office, the debate between all-in-one interactive flat panels and traditional whiteboards is one that many people face. In this video, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of both options to help you make an informed decision. First, let's discuss the all-in-one interactive flat panels. These devices are essentially large touchscreens that allow users to write, draw, and interact with digital content. They come with various features like multi-touch capabilities, internet connectivity, and software for collaboration. This makes them a versatile and engaging tool for presentations, lessons, and brainstorming sessions. On the other hand, traditional whiteboards have been around for decades and are still a popular choice in many settings. They provide a simple, low-tech solution for jotting down ideas and visualizing concepts. With no need for electricity or advanced technical skills, they are accessible to everyone and can be used in any environment. Now, let's compare the two in terms of cost. All-in-one interactive flat panels are generally more expensive than traditional whiteboards due to their advanced features and technology. However, they can save money in the long run by eliminating the need for additional devices like projectors and computers. Traditional whiteboards, while cheaper upfront, may require ongoing expenses for markers and erasers. When it comes to ease of use, both options have their pros and cons. All-in-one interactive flat panels may require some training and technical support, but they offer a seamless experience for users once they are familiar with the technology. Traditional whiteboards are easy to use from the get-go, but they lack the advanced features and interactivity of their digital counterparts. In conclusion, the choice between all-in-one interactive flat panels and traditional whiteboards ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and preferences. If you value cutting-edge technology, interactivity, and digital collaboration, an all-in-one interactive flat panel may be the best option for you. However, if simplicity, affordability, and a no-frills approach are more important, a traditional whiteboard might be the better choice.